In this tutorial, we will see that how you can fix verification required on App Store in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. So there may be different reasons for why you may be getting verification required pop-up. I will show you that how you can fix this. The main reason of this pop-up is because your payment methods have gone and expired on your device. And it may be the case that you have had a subscription or like a trial or something and Apple tried to charge you. And then you are now getting this pop-up because Apple have detected that your payment method no longer works. So to resolve that problem, simply you need to update your payment method. So now, if you have subscription which you no longer want, you should cancel it. All you need to do is, from your App Store, on right upper side, you will see your profile picture. If you click on it, you will get this type of dashboard here. Click on your account and you will get this page of account settings. You can open subscription from here. You can see here, I have 2 subscriptions active now. Simply tap on subscription, which is about to go and renew. And from this page, you can simply cancel your subscription. Once you have cancelled, then simply go and update your payment method. Then you need to go in your settings, click on that profile picture and open payment and shipping. Simply add a new payment method here and that's it. So that's how you can fix verification required on App Store in just few easy steps.